here. I don't know what kind of boot that you have on. But me say them not bad like your shoes lace. Them say corner put out our corner go. Nobody, none of that. And surface, it never hard for the people. We never hard them.
Wagwan bad people, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Jungle Boss. I give some advice to Masicka. Plus we also have MC Nuffy took straight to his IG live and a diss up back Masicka and Jahshii. Viewers and subscribers, this is an update that you do not want to miss. So channel man, if you're new to over here, remember, leave a subscribe, big up yourself and make we jump right into it.
Masicka, look how long Jungle Boss a warn you. You just a pick up. Me say look how long Jungle Boss a warn you. You just a pick up. You just a pick up say Kartel them a blood clot trick, sir. Kartel come and friend and trick you. And put on your career, your blood clot that you. Me not tell you for wall out like alkaline. Wall out. But late man. You just a find out say them a trick, sir. Your blood clot, you come on Sunfest, I know you a big up Kartel. You find out say them a trick, sir now. You bumbo clot you. Sometimes if you listen to Jungle Boss, can read the game. I trick them trick you, bumbo clot that me not tell say don't friend bumbo clot Kartel them. You just a find out. You just a find out. You just a find out. Stand up on your blood clot one. The man ain't shadow your thing, you fucking idiot. You just a learn. Mr. Jungle Boss the teacher around you. No boy.
Now I'm going to play the live with MC Nuffy and I'm going to hear what the DJ has say. Yeah man, MC Nuffy attack about bag of things. Him also at this Masicka and Jahshii. So viewers and subscribers, go on.
Guys, the Vybz Kartel, him come out, come save fucking dancehall. From go down in a pit and on the pussies. What's on our entertainer? I don't give a fuck who you wanna be. On the pussies, what's on our entertainer? On no love him, on no rate him, and him come blood clot save the John. From down in a hole. And the whole on the blood clot out. What need that do? All of uno we had shut up on the mouth and a run. On the mouth and a go on. Uno not happy for the blood clot G. Uno not happy say him get crown. Uno not happy say him come out. Me the blood clot tell in a long time say dance all that jail. Uno think a joke. Eh? Uno some set of pussies. I mean I give a fuck. Who uno want be. All of uno entertainer never happy for Kartel. Go suck out on a sour mama. Me, nothing no give a fuck. Can me see that? Me no blind. Uno no blood clot love him. Uno no love for what him do. Go suck out on no mama. You all a uno. We no happy for Vybz Kartel. Well deserved crown. Me talk frank. Me know me not have a problem with Beenie Man. You know why me not have a blood clot problem with Beenie Man? Because you think it's easy to pass Beenie Man and get that blood clot crown. You think it's easy to pass him and Kartel laps Beenie Man 3 times. Me, as the MC, where host every big show, no pussy host show around here like me. No boy, no girl host no show around here like me. Me host the most big show everywhere. See me go tap the blood clot line a wireless there. Who make me reach there? Vybz Kartel. I mean, I just talk just because him make me reach there. Him know dancehall. And me is blood clot dancehall MC. King MC. Like how him are the king bomber clot DJ. And Spice are the queen. See? Uno look up pussies. Now no respect. Uno look up shit bag. Now no blood clot respect. You think it's easy to pass Beenie Man? You think it's easy to pass Beenie Man? Eh? And Kartel laps Beenie Man 3 times. You see after Kartel, there will be no more king. And me can't tell Uno that. Because none of Uno run up on the mouth and a try. Uno not work. Sing few look a song have look a blood clot song. You think I pass Beenie Man? You think say Uno can? You think it's easy for Beenie Man pass Yellow Man? Eh? You think it easy for blood clot being a man pass yellow man? You think it easy for cartel pass blood clot being a man? I'm cartel laps being a man 3 times. I no being the problem. I own a pussies with bad mind. Eh? I no being the problem, you know. I mean, no cartel not a problem with being a man, you know. Cartel don't have a problem with being a man, I know that. Me around him, I know that. Me no blind. Yeah? And I want to sell out the arena then. He might not sell out the arena. I want to sell out the stadium then. And he might do it everywhere and go. Look how much blood clot people come at Sunfest this year. When last Sunfest is 25,000 people. Our artists did on the last year and year before. I don't couldn't pull blood clot, not even 15,000, not even 12,000 I couldn't pull. Cause Joe called me and tell me, you know, oh my God. But I can't sit down and talk about no blood clot about my Sunfest. Eh? Move on a blood clot and go, man. On a bad mind, a blood clot. All you know, Jahshii. Poor blood clot you. Before you mind your own business. You get your little blood clot chance with Silk Boss. Eh? Look how hungry belly Jahshii. You get your little blood clot chance with Silk Boss. If you got a career in your hand. All you're interested in is to run back a man. PP pluck like a big artist to call you up on stage. Eh? You come and talk about king and this and king and that. Move your look up blood clot, fall back and go. Eh? Wanna know about dancehall? Wanna know about dancehall? You think it is easy to pass blood clot being the man and cartel, sir? Laps him 3 times. And me say it again. He said, after that king, there will be no more king in dancehall. And me I promise you that. Because we don't have blood clot work. We don't have work. We don't have work. After blood clot cartel, no more king. Me know coming no dancehall. All I want to wear sing and DJ. I don't know dancehall like or no. Me not have to sing and DJ. Me know it. After cartel, no more king. Because the work of cartel put on. I couldn't do that. I don't have more blood clot time for find work do. I don't have more time for find work do. I don't go work. Blood clot. Look how much love Mr. Kartel show Jahshii when him come out. Look how follow back a blood clot. Follow back a people. Blood clot. Every tail you follow back a man call you on stage. And you get your career, if you take your career. And you say one year, so out of your mouth, I tell boom boom, say you go like you're Nuffy. And Nuffy are the real MC, but that is not the problem with me and boom boom, nah, nothing at all. See, you're sure, you have a little thing about it. But you get your one and dash way. Before you take the local class with you and silk bar. That's just dancehall. And that you did for do. Instead of you that day today, them they even book you for doing a blood clot sunfest, but you're going up there try disrespect. Real G. What's all you know about cartel work? Eh? You think it's a party shop get him to be the king? Eh? You think a party shop get cartel being the king of dancehall? Eh? All of who did they chat up them mouth. You can't pass Beanie Man. Because all no pass Beanie Man. How tell you say you're king? Me look pound and tell you say you're king. When I work for kingship, you think I'm a king go? Move on a blood clot, but not bad artist. Bad artist is my blood clot. When if you have bad artists can't have fan base. And have them fan base and control. You don't left no mark. No way want to go perform. No way. You don't have blood clot left no mark. No way want to perform. Nobody not talk about you no want to perform. You don't boring no blood clot. I want to know. I want to ramp with me general, you know. The man get him bumbo clad crowd, you know. I'm man of the pussy clad king. Because uno no pass blood clad Beanie Man yet. And I laps Beanie Man 3 times in a game. And me know, I know Beanie Man are the people and the Beanie Man are the problem.
I don't know what kind of boot that you have. But me say them not bad like you. Shoes,